How to connect Clash Royale with Google Play. Want to save your Clash Royale progress and play across devices? Let's connect it to Google Play. So, first make sure the Google Play Games app is installed on your device. And then from here, go ahead and open it up. Now from here, head over into your library and you should find the games connected to your Google Play Games. Now you'll be able to find Clash Royale in here since this specific game is currently installed on my local device. Now, to be able to connect your Clash Royale with Google Play Games, you should have your Google Play Games app along with your Clash Royale app installed on your mobile device. Now, once you open Google Play Games, you'll be able to find the Clash Royale app on the continue playing section of your Google Play Games account. So you can go ahead and click on the play button from there. So head over into the library, click on continue playing, and then select Clash Royale, and you'll be able to find this play button to access the app from Google Play Games. And that's it. Your Clash Royale account is now connected to Google Play for safe cloud-based progress.